Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are doing a real side-by-side comparison between two robot vacuums in the same price range, the eufy Omni C28 and the Roborock Qrevo S5V. This video is sponsored by eufy, but as always I am testing both products in real home conditions so you can clearly see the actual differences. Both of these models are in the $500 to $600 range, which are great options, but the eufy Omni C28 brings several newer technologies from eufy's higher-end lineup into a more affordable price category. And one of the biggest highlights is that this is the first C-series robot vacuum to feature eufy's hydrojet roller mop system. For your information, the C28 is the upgraded model of eufy's X10 Pro. According to eufy, this is also the longest roller mop in this price segment, which is one of the reasons why the C28 is positioned as one of the best value roller mop robot vacuums around the $500 range. The roller itself is also 27mm longer than many competitors in this category, helping improving floor coverage during mopping. So now let's start with the biggest difference between these two vacuums, mopping performance. The Omni C28 uses a hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop, while the Roborock Qrevo S5V uses traditional dual spinning pads. And honestly, this creates a very different cleaning experience. Here, as you can see, we have some coffee stains. Notice how the C28 roller consistently washes itself while cleaning up to 9 times per second, meaning dirty water is continuously removed from the roller. The system also uses 24 water spray holes for continuous fresh water circulation, so dirty water is constantly removed instead of being pushed around the floor. Meanwhile, on the dual spin mop system, once the pod becomes dirty, they can start spreading dirty water across the floor instead of removing it completely. This is where the stronger downward pressure of the hydrojet roller becomes very noticeable. According to eufy, the C28 applies up to 10 N of downward pressure for stronger stain removal while continuously cleaning itself at the same time. And because the roller self-cleans up to 9 times per second, the mop stays significantly cleaner during the entire cleaning process. And to make this easier to see, let's do the white paper towel test after both robots finish cleaning. You can clearly see the difference here. The C28 leaves the floor visibly cleaner with less residue remaining on the surface. So now let's also check the mop cleanliness itself. You can clearly see that the C28 roller stays significantly cleaner throughout the cleaning process, while the traditional spinning pads on the Qrevo S5V collect much more visible dirt. So when it comes to mopping performance alone, especially for homes with pets, kids, or everyday mess, the hydrojet roller system is honestly the biggest advantage of the C28. So now let's move to hair pickup and anti-tangle performance. You can see the C28 picking up large amounts of hair while keeping the brush system clean. This is what many people normally deal with every week, with tangled hair wrapped around brushes and the rollers. But with the C28, the brush system stays much cleaner with far less manual maintenance afterward. Now compare that to the Qrevo S5V. You can clearly notice more hair wrapping around the brush area on the dual system, while the C28 stays significantly cleaner. And for people with pets or long hair at home, this makes a huge difference over time because less maintenance means less manual cleaning. Next is the suction power. The C28 delivers 15,000 pascal suction power compared to 12,000 pascal on the Roborock Qrevo S5V. And in the real-world carpet testing, I definitely noticed stronger pickup performance with the C28, especially with fine dust and particles embedded deeper inside carpets. But once the robot returns to the station to empty debris, the roller actually splits apart in the middle. That opening allows hair and debris collected inside the roller to get vacuumed directly into the dust bag automatically. And the nice thing is that the dust bag stays completely sealed, so you don't really need to touch or clean the dirt manually afterward. It also automatically boosts suction power when carpets are detected for deeper cleaning performance. Another smart feature is the 10.8mm roller lift system, which helps prevent dirty water from transferring back onto hard floors after carpet cleaning. Now both of these models do include full all-in-one base stations. So you are getting automatic dust collection, mop washing, mop drying, and automatic water management. The nice thing with the C28 is that the overall experience feels very hands-free. You basically let the robot handle almost everything automatically, including cleaning the mop and emptying debris into the sealed dust bag. Navigation is also very good on both models with LiDAR mapping and obstacle avoidance, so both are solid in terms of smart features. But after testing both side by side, the biggest difference really comes down to cleaning performance. So the eufy Omni C28 feels more focused on stronger mopping, cleaner stain removal, better hair handling, and lower maintenance. Especially in this price range, it honestly feels like one of the strongest value options right now if your priority is keeping floors cleaner with less manual work. If you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link in the description below with the current promotional pricing. Make sure to check this special offer before it expires. Let me know in the comments which one you will choose, and I will see you guys in the next one.